Right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our science class for today, which is still about Unit 5, Home Electricity. Do you remember the topics that we have discussed about home electricity before? We have discussed about the two sources of electricity. What are they? You can get electricity from the mains
Domains.
and
Battery.
batteries. Yes, we can get electricity from the mains and batteries. Now, aside from the sources of electricity, we have discussed about the different power stations, right? Can you remember some of the power stations that we discussed?
Yes.
Yes. What else? The one
Dam.
using the dam with water, right? What else?
Wind turbine.
Wind turbine,
Uh,
solar energy from
Solar
solar
panel.
panels,
Energy from the heat.
nuclear, right? And also
The
biomass.
waves.
Yes. Okay. Now, let us continue. Last time also we've discussed about how to save electricity, right? The different ways on how we save electricity. Now for today, we are going to continue about saving electricity. Let us start first with the vocabulary words for today. How do you read the first one? Unplug. Unplug
Unplug.
means
Thought plug.
remove the plug from the socket. Next is tight. Tight.
Thought.
When you, for example, you close the door, you close it tightly. It means there's no space, it's not open, it is closed correctly. Next is change. What is change in time? Yes. When you
Spear.
change something, you remove the old one and you get a new one, right? Change. All right. Now, our topic for today is still saving electricity, ways on how to save electricity. Now, can you remember the different ways of how to save electricity, the ones that we discussed last time? About light. What do you have to do with the light?
Turn off the light if we do not need.
Yes, we turn off the light when we are not using it, right? Another one, you can just use the natural light from where?
Sun.
From the sun, yes, you can just open the curtains, open the windows for natural light using the biggest source of light, which is the sun, right? Another one, what else did we discuss? You have to unplug what?
Unplug. If we don't use the.
Yes. Unplug the devices from the socket if you are not using them, because even if they are turned off, if they are still plugged into the socket, they can still use some electricity. And also, it can cause fire for your houses, right? Yes. Okay, now today we will have more ways on how to save electricity. Let me show you a video first.
Energy. Without it, absolutely nothing would happen. The sun gives us two kinds of energy, light energy and heat energy. At night, electrical energy powers our light bulbs and appliances. There are two kinds of energies, renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Sunshine, wind, water, plants. The flow of energy from these guys never stops. Oil, coal, natural gas, atomic energy. There's a limit to these energies. These energies can be all used up. If we use too much, there'll be none left. So we really should make sure we're not using too much energy, shouldn't we? Does anybody know how we can use energy the smart way? If you're leaving a room for more than 5 minutes, don't forget, turn the light off. And on a sunny day, why not open the curtains and just use natural light? It's simple. Take out incandescent light bulbs and switch them to compact fluorescent bulbs. These use a lot less energy. Just turn off the TV when you're not watching it. Turn the heating down. If it's cold, wear more clothes. And when it's hot, try using a fan. When you're not using them, why not unplug some machines, like computers, TVs, radios, and video game systems? Something we all need to know, even after charging your phone, your charger will continue to use energy. So unplug it. Water is precious. Energy is needed to clean it. So how about saving a little? Instead of taking a bath, take shorter showers. Try not to keep the water running while you're brushing your teeth. Drippy taps waste a lot of water. Just think, a leaking tap wastes enough water to fill a soda bottle every 30 minutes. Set your washing machine to wash at 30 degrees Celsius. Dry your clothes outside instead of using a tumble dryer. Close the fridge door and never put a hot meal in the fridge. It takes a lot of energy to cool it down. Do you know about Energy Star labels? Well, products with Energy Star labels use much less energy than the others. Keep an eye out for them when you're shopping. And how about riding a bike instead of driving? Being energy smart means doing little things that are important, like using both sides of a piece of paper. And if you can reuse something instead of throwing it away, please do. Want to know something funny? All of these tips won't just help save energy, they'll save you money too. Want to know more about energy?
Okay, what did the video show you? It showed what? How to save energy, right? For example, what did you see? How to save energy, how to save electricity.
If it don't very fast, we can walk or ride a bike.
Yes, walk or ride the bike instead of what?
Car.
Instead of using your car. Because what? Because cars use electricity. What else? When
we don't use the light, we need to turn off the light.
Turn off the lights. Yes.
And we can use the national lights.
Yes. How about the one that you saw with water? Why is it important to save water also when we are talking about electricity?
If we don't use the water, we need to turn off.
Yes, but why is it important to save water? We said save electricity.
If we don't have, we cannot buy the phone we need.
Yes, because if we don't have water, dams will not have water to use to make electricity, right? And also in ayong phone. And also in dams, they use a lot of energy, a lot of electricity to produce electricity, more electricity, right? And also to clean the water in the dams. The water for our toilet, for our kitchen, they use electricity to clean water. That's why we have to save water also so that we can save electricity too. right? Now today, we are going to have more examples on how to save electricity. We use electricity almost everywhere, such as in our houses, schools, hospitals, farms, even in the parks, and even in the streets, right? Electricity is almost everywhere, right? It's all over the world because most people have devices that need electricity to work, right? So, we use electricity a lot. We should learn how to save it. We can open the windows to let the wind come in instead of using a fan or air conditioner. It means we don't just get the sunlight instead of using our light bulbs, right? In opening the windows, we can also let the wind come in, the air, so that we don't have to turn on the aircon, turn on the fans anymore, right? Because wind is for free, right? It can make us cool, right? Okay, next, another one. We should keep the refrigerator tightly closed all the time. When you say we should keep the refrigerator tightly closed, close the door properly. Do not leave a space open, right? Because do you know refrigerators use a lot of electricity, just like aircon? Because refrigerators have to be cold, right? They have to be cold. So in order to make it cold, they work hard to make the refrigerator cold. They use a lot of electricity to make the refrigerator cold. So if, for example, are you like this? When you want to get food from the refrigerator, you open the door and then you think, what will I get? You take a long time. The refrigerator door is open for a long time. So what happens? The cold will come out of the refrigerator. So when you close the refrigerator should work hard to make it cold again, right? So it uses a lot of electricity. Same with your air conditioner. For example, you turn on the aircon. Make sure to close all the windows and close the doors. Because if you let the doors open, the room will not be cold, right? The cold will come out and then you have to, the air conditioner should work hard, keep on working to make the room cold, right? It's just the same with the refrigerator. Refrigerators use a lot of electricity. How many refrigerators do you have at home? Two? For example, Chayanan has two refrigerators. It means you use a lot of electricity because refrigerators use a lot of electricity. It's okay to have two refrigerators or more because maybe you have a lot of food or you put many things inside. But make sure when you use it properly. Like when you open it, you close it properly. And when you have to open it, be fast, right? Because do you know, my daughter, my baby, when she was smaller, she opens the refrigerator and play there because it's cold. She likes it cold and she plays there while the refrigerator is open. That one is wasting electricity, right? Yes. Okay, do not do that. Okay, next. We should replace our old light bulbs with energy saving ones. These are the light bulbs that are energy saving. It means they use only a little bit of electricity. They are good in saving. Coal? Cow? What? LED is good. Yes, LED is okay. LED can save electricity. Okay? LEDs like this one can save good for saving electricity. Okay? But the old ones, the one that you call incandescent, incandescent light bulbs, the old ones, the round ones, those use a lot of electricity. Not like this, and LED sometimes look like this, right? Like round. But if it's LED, it saves electricity. It's not, it doesn't use too much electricity. Not like the old ones. You should change them already. Yes. CFL is better. This one, CFL. And this one, the ones at the school, the long one, that one uses more electricity than CFL. It's better to have 2 or 3 CFL than have this. No? It uses more electricity. Okay, now let me show you one last video. Live worksheet and quizzes.
Saving energy around the home is easy when you know how. Just follow these simple tips and you'll soon enjoy great savings on your energy bill. Did you know that hot water systems are the biggest energy user in most households, accounting for around 30% of a home's energy use?
For
Whenever
hot
possible,
water.
use cold water instead of hot. Washing your clothes with cold water is a good place to start. The average shower head uses at least 10 litres of water per minute. That's a lot of water. Install a low-flow shower head to greatly reduce the water flow. Take shorter showers. Use a shower timer and try to keep it under 4 minutes. Refrigerators typically account for 15% of a home's energy use. Make sure yours isn't using any unnecessary energy by setting the temperature correctly. 4 degrees for refrigerators and -15 degrees for freezers will ensure safe storage of food and minimal energy use. Do you own a second fridge? If it's only used for drinks, switch it off when you're not using it, or put a timer on it. If you find you never use it, why not get rid of it? It could be adding hundreds of dollars to your energy bill. Appliances on standby account for around 10% of a home's electricity usage. That can cost you well over $100 a year on wasted energy. The easiest way to save energy is by switching off appliances at the wall after using them. Enable the energy-saving features on your computer and switch it off at the wall after use. And of course, don't forget to switch the lights off every time you leave a room. How well your house keeps out unwanted weather doesn't just affect your comfort, it also greatly affects your energy use and bill. Heating and cooling typically accounts for around 25% of a household's energy usage. Check the seals on your windows and door joins to make sure hot or cold air isn't escaping. If it looks like there are gaps, visit your hardware store and ask about materials to improve seals. Only use heaters and air conditioners when you need to, and close doors to stop energy from going to waste. Air conditioning isn't the only way to keep your house cool. Use fans, cross-ventilation and external shading whenever possible. Or for a cheaper, more natural solution, planting deciduous trees on the western side of your house can provide shade in summer while letting light through in winter. Thanks for watching. If you want to know...
Okay. What ways on how to save electricity did you see in that video? What did you see?
If we not do something, we can unplug it.
Yes, just like the TV. Did you see the one that shows the TV on standby? When you just press standby on your remote and you see there's still color red on your TV, right? There's still light. It means it still uses
Teacher, but I
electricity.
don't use that, teacher. I am turn off the plug. I don't use that.
Yes, if you use the remote and put it on standby, you can see there's still the red light. It means it uses electricity. It still uses electricity. Same with your computer. Do you know shutdown, right, in your computer? There is shutdown, sleep. Do you know sleep?
Teacher,
Sleep.
I use shutdown, teacher. I use
When you
shutdown.
click sleep, it still uses electricity. You just need to shut it down properly.
Yes.
If it's in sleep, it still works, okay? It still uses some electricity. What else? Do you see about the water, the hot water in the
If we
shower?
don't use water, we turn off the tap.
Yes, if you have the heater for your toilet, do you have that to have hot water in the shower? Hot water in the shower?
Only
Ah,
that for two, but no.
the tub, the bathtub like this.
I
Ah,
have
if
two,
if
but
you turn
one
on
is
the
cannot
if you
use
turn on the hot
electricity.
water, it uses electricity to make it hot, no? So sometimes you make it, you have to take a bath, take a shower fast, or if, for example, some people do like this, they turn on the hot water already, so the hot water is warm already, and then they do not start taking a bath yet, they do something else, they play first, so they come back, the water is cold again, right? So they need to turn on the hot water again to make it hot again, and then they will take a bath. So you heat the water 2 times, no? So it's better to turn on the hot water already, and then go take a bath straight, right? So that you can feel the water warm. You don't have to make it warm again, right? Okay, now let us go to our first quizzes. Yes, very simple. Oh no. Oh, hi. No, not team. Let me get the link first. Shaking. Science.
Classic.
Link. Oh, not YouTube. Quizzes. The link. This is the link. I want to. Okay, let us review the questions first. Number 1, electricity is expensive. We must save. Without electricity, our lives would be darker. Which is an electrical device? The,
TV.
that's a microwave.
Ah.
Next, where do we get electricity? Batteries and mains. Which is not a source of electricity? Football field. Which is an example of resources used in producing electricity? Fossil fuel. Which shows a correct way of saving electricity? Drawing, right? Drawing. Which picture shows wasting electricity? Using air conditioner, right? It is cold. Blank the fan. Turn off the fan. When we save electricity, we save money and resources. True. All right, let me send you the link. Go. Join now. Yes. Why? Oh, wait. I did not send it. That's not the correct link.
Teacher, it don't correct.
Wait. Okay, there's the link. The correct link. Correct already? There. What's nuclear? I
Teacher,
know.
can you send it again?
Send again, okay. Huh? Join.
มีคนตั้งชื่อว่าเจ้าของฟาร์มดินน้ำมันด้วยฉันคือเจ้าของฟาร์มดินน้ำมันใครตั้งชื่อเนี่ยฮัลโหล
Who is this? ของฟาร์มดินน้ำมัน
เจ้าของฟาร์มดินน้ำมัน
I like that.
เฮ้ย
Faster, 1 minute. Did you join already?
มีคนตั้งชื่อเกือบเหมือน
Turn off your microphone so we can start.
มีคนตั้งชื่อเกือบเหมือนกันด้วย
Turn off. Okay, teacher will not wait anymore. Is it working now? So we have Diana, can you make it Everyone's here. Oh, but some students also got 100%. See?
It's no. No. Oh, you are kilo.
Okay, now we have one more. Don't worry. Can you see?
One more again. No
There.
internet.
Who? Okay, now let us go to the next quizzes. We have switch off the fan. Which one is it? It's the fourth. Yeah, but it's an air conditioner, not a fan. Wait. Next, turn off the stove when you haven't used it. Stove when you are not using it. This one. Hey. The pail is full. What will you say next? Turn off the tap. The room is very dark. Switch on the lamp. Sure. Switch off the computer when you are not using it.
Yeah.
It's B, that's computer. I see. Can you blank me how to save water? Can you tell me how to save water? Switch off the lamp in the afternoon. It's C, the one's off. The slogan is the picture shows what? The picture shows
Go green.
not just forest, everything. It says go green because you save the trees, you save the earth, everything. It's dark. Please switch on the
Lamp.
lamp. It is hot. Please open the
Window.
window. Does the lamp blank electricity? Need.
Need.
Don't forget to turn off the stove.
Stove.
Blank down the AC. It's very cool.
Off. Oh.
Shut down. Don't forget to turn off the tap. We must blank the electric power. Unplug. Okay, let me send you. Ah, there. Quiet. Shh, quiet. Your friends can hear everything. You're recorded. Who's on the ship? None? Who?
That is cartoon.
And who is AKKT? Nuclear. You want nuclear means NUCLEAR. Nuclear. 23. 3, number 23. Ready, ready, ready. I don't know my students anymore. No? Let's start. I don't know who are my students anymore. Go. Question the ship. Share ended it already. We have. Oh, what happened? Oh no, it was gone. Who was there? Pudis was number 1. There's Mario, right? And Natakit, huh? Okay. All right. Yes, don't worry. Now let us go to our live worksheet, all right? For the live worksheet, We have part 1 and part 2. Don't forget to write your name, grade, and number. We have light bulbs, close, turn off, open, unplug. Number 1, blank the lights when not in use. Blank the lights when not in use. Not close. You turn off the lights when not in use. Number 2, blank your windows to use natural light from the sun. Open your windows. Number 3, always blank the refrigerator door to save electricity. Close. Replace old blank with the energy saving light bulbs. Replace old light bulbs. Blank electrical devices when not in use. Yes. For part 2, it's true or false. We should save electricity. Electricity is cheap. Electricity is expensive. We can all do something to save electricity. True. It's okay to leave the lights on at night. False. What? Number 5. When you sleep, when you have to sleep, you still let the lights on. Okay. Then send the link. There's the link.